Hello, welcome back. So as I promised you, this is a new digital collage tutorial with photopia.com. This is the result, and I made this with free pictures I downloaded from unsplash.com. First, we need to create a new document. You can change the project title and the size. On the left side of the screen, you can see the tools. This is polygonal lasso select. We will use this tool to cut and make selection on our pictures. Now you can find high resolution pictures in unsplash.com. In my case, I have downloaded a few pictures. Just drag and drop the pictures into photopia.com to add the picture. Now, to simplify the workflow, I will rename the layer into background. To resize, you will need to click the rectangle select, right-click on the picture, and choose Free Transform. Once you've done, click on the Move tool on the top left corner. Now, I will add another picture for the subject. Just like before, I will rename the layer to simplify my workflow. Now we will use the polygonal lasso select, and let's create selection to remove part of the picture. To connect both ends of the selection, you can simply double-click. Don't forget to right-click on the layer you want to cut and click Rasterize. After that, just press Delete or Backspace to delete the selection. Once you've done, you want to right-click and choose Deselect to remove the selection. Now I realize I want to change the size and the position of the subject. Now I will use polygonal lasso select to cut selection of the subject. Alternatively, you can use remove WBG to remove background. However, because this website offers you automatic background remover, the result may not be consistent. Once you've done, just click the download button and simply drag and drop the picture into photopia.com. Now I want the hand to be behind the uniform. So what we need to do is to move the bloody hand layer underneath the subject layer. Just to remind you, don't forget to save the file in PSD format. Now I will make a few adjustments. Just like before, I will cut the subject again with polygonal lasso select. For the finishing, I will do few image adjustment. I will start with the background. Go to the Image tab and go to Adjustment and choose Hue or Saturation. By changing the hue, you will change the color of the picture. Now, let's change the color of the subject. Just like before, we will use Hue or Saturation. This time, I will not just change the hue, but I will also change the saturation to match the background. I will do pretty much the same thing on the hand layer. Except this time, I will not change the hue, instead I will just decrease the saturation. The idea here is that we want every visual elements to match together. This is the final result of this video tutorial. Again, be expressive and be bold.